Hi judges, this is Melissa Rivera from Vibrant Aesthetics, located in Mount Sinai, New York. We are here for week 1 for the open medical category. This is my lovely client, Dawn.
Hi.
During our consultation, I learned that she is 52 years old and she's a letter carrier. This means that she is outside all day and she's exposed to chronic UV exposure, the wind, and changing weather conditions. All of the environmental factors, the fact that she's also perimenopausal, and she had a recent weight loss of 100 pounds, congratulations.
Thank you.
Has really taken a toll on her skin. During my skin analysis, Dawn presented with loss of elasticity and firmness due to collagen loss and elastosis, the presence of rhytides around her eyes, deeper expression lines on her forehead, cheeks, and chin area. Additionally, Dawn shows possible signs of glycation on the lower face.
Yeah.
Her secondary concerns include uneven pigmentation, mild erythema associated with rosacea, dehydration, and a loss of radiance. The treatment I'm performing today is a combination of the Factor 5 RDS peel followed by the ProCell microchanneling. And then to heal that all up, we're going to be using the oxygen dome, cold hammer, and red LED light. I'm also collaborating with Geraldine Hoops from NPG Aesthetics. Together, we will be doing a combination of advanced skincare treatments and medical enhancements. The goal for Dawn is to improve her fine lines and wrinkles by 70%, her deeper expression lines by 50%, and to firm and lift her skin by 50%. I am so excited to be doing this with you, and I cannot wait to show you guys the progress over the next 8 weeks. So we will see you guys next week.